Hi, this is John Landis with TriMech with a productivity tech tip about creating custom color swatches in SolidWorks. If you're following a strict color specification or just want your models to pop with your client's colors, here's a technique for capturing and applying specific color themes. Suppose we make flashlights for promotions and giveaways, and we want to capture our client's colors. For example, maybe a big hamburger chain is going to order a bunch of the flashlights, and we want it to be in their specific colors. We can do that. Or maybe another hamburger chain, they also want to do a flashlight giveaway. So we can color our models with their specific corporate colors. We like to wash that down with a lovely beer from Holland, and these are the corporate colors for that company as well. How do we create and capture these corporate colors? We do it with color swatches. So check it out. The first thing we're going to do is create a new display state. And this new display state, I'm going to give it the name of the corporation whose colors we're going to capture, perhaps TriMech. Then I'm going to get into my color dialog, and we're going to apply the colors at the component level. And I want to point out that it's in this region of the color dialog that we see our swatches. Out of the box, you get a standard swatch with standard colors, a pastel swatch, and a grayscale swatch. But we created swatches specifically for those corporate entities with their company colors. Well, how do we do that? It starts by creating the swatch itself. And we can click on this button, and I'm going to create a TriMech swatch. And now I want to grab the TriMech colors to populate the swatch. We're going to have to do a little manipulation here of our windows so I can grab the correct colors. Notice that I have a browser here with the TriMech website. And what I'm going to do is use this eyedropper and just extract TriMech blue from this section on the website. That looks great. I'm going to apply that. And I want to grab a few more colors. So I can just grab that TriMech orange. Let's add that. And I'll also grab the other blue. We'll add that also. Notice we hit the plus sign. It adds those colors to our color palette, the TriMech palette. We'll maximize this again. And now that I have those colors in here, well, I can simply pick components to apply those corporate colors. If I want the end cap here to be TriMech orange, it's pretty simple to specify that from the TriMech swatch. And quick and easy way to capture the official colors from some other source using the eyedropper and then saving it as a library of colors as a color swatch. One final thing, you want to make sure that your system options for the file locations points to the correct location where you will find your color swatches. And you can have more than one location. I would probably put this on a shared network drive so everybody's pulling the same official colors from the same color swatches. There we have it. I hope that was helpful for you, and have a great day.